Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find someone's old stories on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then first off you have to open up someone's profile where you want to search for an old stories. I'm just gonna open up Tesla Motors profile, and once you opened a profile, just right here under following and messenger buttons you can easily find that story highlights. You can drag it left or right to see them all. As you can see, there are a lot of different story highlights, and then you can just stop at any of them. As you can see, that story was shared 27 weeks ago, and in that way you can see old stories on any Instagram profile. Unfortunately, that's the only way how you can see someone's old stories on Instagram, but you can easily do so in any time at any Instagram profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.